Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to take you through the banded rainbow drill. So what you're going to do is have a band set up on a rig behind you, or you can even use the banister if you want, if you're at home. And all you're going to do is grab the band, you're going to hold it in front of you, and then rotate around your body, getting a nice stretch in your torso, and then bring it back around, reach up as high as you can, make a nice big rainbow, get a nice stretch down your sides, and then you just wrap it around the other side of you, okay? And this will be your reps. Really good rotational exercise if you don't have access to a lot of machines, or if you don't do a lot of throwing stuff or anything like that. Great supplementary exercise to do. There's more like this in end range training. Big things to look out for would be, if you come to the side a bit for me, is the pelvis to be sitting back into this position. So you want to have your glutes squeezed, so if you just come back a bit there. So you don't want to be sitting back like this. You want to make sure the hips are right the way through, everything's squeezed nice and tight, and that you're getting a good rotation through your core and not just rotating for the sake of it, okay? So use your muscles, don't just rotate your spine, okay guys?